Hi everyone, this is Talali from the Gulf Sniper. Okay, let's start with the backtest as usual, same setting. As you remember, we have encountered a loss of 845 yesterday, and that's expected. Actually, yesterday was a very challenging day, and the market was really bad, going down by 2% in all the indexes now. Luckily, today the market was going up and reversing, and it is not a surprise that we make a profit of $7,448.40. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the highest that we achieved in this month so far. We have, let me take you to the calendar and the daily activities or daily progress. We've got in last year, 2020, 28 in December, we got 6,048. And January, 5,800 was the highest, or yes, and that was on 30th even of December, not in January. In January, the highest, as you can see, was $5,453.40. While today, 28 January, as a result of the recovery in the market and as a result of the low trading signals, or I mean low signals, we achieved this percentage and, of course, this profit. The top performance, as you can see, you can freeze the screen and see the top performance. We will be talking about them in details. However, in 26, there were two stocks that achieved 1,000 and above, making 10% each of our starting capital, which is 10,000. Here in 28, we have only one that is exceeding the 1,000. Okay, let's go in details. I have tried to resolve a problem that happened here, but although the number of the signals, although the numbers of the opportunities were less, but the signals were huge. The market move was huge, so I tried to retrieve more than 2 o'clock, but I was not able to do that. So we will start half of our recap from the signals themselves. Then we'll move to the number of the signals that appeared for each. Okay, first one was AWX, appeared at 9:30. And maybe you can notice that today's signals came at separated time, not as usual, 3 or 4 signals at the same time. So the first one, AWX, making 10%, 8% actually from our 10,000 in 4 minutes. If you notice, it did not go down to our stop loss, but it made it from the first candle. Then it oscillated, then it went down at the end of the day. Icon ICON came with us yesterday and made a good move. Today opened to the upper side, then went down. But let us see whether our entry was supposed to be. As a trader, you should not enter here, but maybe if another signal came to you before during the trading, maybe you'll enter here. But again, it is not a winning one, so this is a loss. By the way, somebody can just trade the first one and just take his 10% or 8% and stop trading. It's not a necessity that you keep on pushing for your luck and lose whatever you have achieved earlier. So that's up to the trader to decide. YVR came at 933. Was supposed to be a winning one, but that depends on the entry. If someone waits to confirm or to select a good entry, he or she can make it from here, or to be conservative right from the two, keeping the physiological and psychological barrier in mind. It could be a winning trade, excuse me. VIVE. Moving to the upper side, but not confirming the signal here. Again, in a debatable place entry. Need to think twice before you enter this one. Okay, MYSZ, another losing one, but why? It was supposed to be moving to the right side. Again, this is excellent entry, but unfortunately it did not make it. Moving to our charm for today, our star actually. GBR appeared at 956, and I talked about it. I talked about it right at the beginning. We were lucky to enter with this. It was 2.65 only when we start talking about it. And it made our 7% in 4 minutes. And I kept on reminding about it on my Twitter account until it made like 60%, which was maybe like at around 4. But it was moving in a very crazy move. The catalyst was there, and rewards, okay, cases, and Marriott, and revealed the new locks from the Sheraton business. There were some couple of news that GBR was involved in, and I think that was enough catalyst for it to move, plus the short squeeze, plus many other factors. So we spotted it at $2.65, and it continued its way up to $30. Guys, can you believe that? Wow. See how strong is our signal? See how early we spotted it? Guys, you need to give me a thumb up on this. Congrats to made profit, to double or triple or even quadruple from this GBR. Moving to next, IMTE. It was another winning one. And it's obvious how it was moving. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all happening in only the first 30 minutes of the trading. Again, GBR is not a common one. It doesn't always happen with us like that. Okay, we have double, we have triple, we have 60%, 50%, 80% in one day. Yes, but this one is exceptional. This is unbelievable. And it's all happening from 956, say from 10, and it reached its max only in 3 hours. That's unbelievable. Okay, moving to BIMI. Was another winning trade, and that happened also in more than our target, 15 minutes actually. It happened in 20 minutes, 18 minutes. UONEK was with us yesterday and today also, but it lost today. It lost today as well as yesterday, unfortunately. THMO was another winning one. You know, guys, we won 7,400 something, and most of our trades will be winning. I think I will be talking about those that did not win today. Unless you have another thought or you want me to come back to these and highlight them again. Okay, so I'll move to the losing ones because you will find plenty of the winning ones. I think our champ GBR was the one that is making all this noise and made us unable to retrieve all the data here. Okay, let's see, why did ENSB lose? Yes, it was a little bit moving away from the moving averages, but it's not to an extent that would make someone decide not to continue. It was going to the upper trend, but it slowed down and then it continued. So if somebody is watching and saw that the trade is, or that the stock is moving down, hitting his or her stop loss, maybe you can find another entry here and start again, since it is on the move. Okay. Others suggest if you lose from one trade, just skip it. Don't fall into the revenge and this psychological effect. I think starting trading without working on the emotional is something wrong. Okay, here is TGC. This is actually, it should not be considered as a losing trade. See what it did. This is another one that actually made a crazy move, that it tripled also today. It tripled from 2 to 6. More than triple, more than 300%. It should not be considered as a losing trade. But, you know, it happened. Again, you can find another entry and go with it. And don't worry, you will not lose it. You will not lose the 300% move if you are following with me, if you are on the screen or online, because those will appear. I'm sure that it will appear here during the trading, so you will not miss this. And this minus 106 will not be really there. It will be there, then it will be wiped up. So don't worry about this. Okay, next, BRN, another losing in another 300% day. Guys, I think, oh wait, sorry. Yeah, that's a 300%. So again, I think this is not supposed to be a losing one. It should be a winning one, but no problem. Again, PED, again, same criteria. This has made like 30% move. And it made our 7% here, so congrats. MARPS, see how it is moving. It is not supposed to be a losing trade. See how it made? It doubled. More than a double. Guys, excellent market today. Excellent. I wish everyone profited out of it. Okay, this one also is excellent entry, but it hit our stop loss. And since it's only a penny stock, $1, so the loss was only $63. Excuse me. We'll talk about AR MP, and wow, from 3.8 all the way to 10, more than 250%. Okay, it has lost here. But again, I think today is not the auto trading day. It's supposed to be personal, entry. But again, I should maybe contradict myself as well, because the wider it is, the more conservative you need to be. So if you enter without your experience, you might lose all this. You might be there and you might lose all this. So I think it's better to stick with the plan and not to, go wild and then lose. Okay. MIND, clear profit, quick one. No, it was a lengthy one actually. It was a lengthy one. So maybe after 15 minutes, you need to just skip. Yeah. Okay. DYNT, winning, no problem. We'll just show you how it was doing. No, here it was supposed to be. So clear in 5 minutes. AXAS, another winning one. SRAX, clear one. SNDE, clear one. SDPI, only wrong timing, but it's a winning one also. But it's considered to be loss according to the backtest, but it is a winning one actually. If you, this one from in 5 minutes, in 2 minutes, 7%. CELP, our old fellow, in 3 minutes, 7%. Who's else? Okay, ICDE has lost at the end of the trading in 3 minutes. Only one candle went down, and then, but imagine that you enter here, how far you are from the support, the moving averages. So it's your decision where to enter and how risk it will be, how risk you will be taking. Okay, another one, winning again. Maybe it entered here, the signal gave you at a confirmation 2.01, but it didn't hold up for long above the 2, so it went down a little bit only, enough for us to lose. Then it continued its winning, but it is considered as a winning one. And this one came and automatically considered as a, this should not be considered actually, because low trading, low volume in a very wild day should not be considered in our trading. It is winning only 50, 45, and it is not supposed to be even considered. So conclusion is that we had a very wonderful day today. Congrats to all who benefited from this. 7,448 is not always coming. If you look into our previous months, you will not find it everywhere. I think this is one of the highest achieved scores. So I wish that you benefited from our day. And where will you find these results? Always with us. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumb up. And good luck in today's trading. See you around.